Okay, so I don't know if I'll actually be able to film this with one hand, but I've been playing around with a flattened corner on my hive tool. Of course, this is one that I've forged. And generally I would have two hands, but the principle behind this, let's see, how can I hold this? Probably won't be able to see, but maybe you will, is that I can go right down the ears of these frames and get off this propolis without hitting any of the wax over here. And then I can just kind of get that propolis out of my way. Sometimes the propolis gets built up so much that you can't slide the frames back together. So I don't know, what do you guys think of that? Is that something you guys think would be useful, or do you have a better idea? Let me know in the comments.